Secretary of Manipur Chemist and Druggist Association MCDA, Thokchom Dijamani, has urged the public to refrain from purchasing and hoarding excessive life-saving drugs in light of recent flood-related losses amounting to about 15 crores rupees. The appeal was made during a press meet held at MCDA's office on the third floor of Gambhir Singh Shopping Arcade today. The meeting was also attended by MCDA's President R.K. Rakesh. Dijamani highlighted that the incessant rainfall caused by Cyclone Remal resulted in breaches of Imphal River and Numbul River, leading to flooding in various areas of Imphal East and Imphal West districts, including Pauna Market and Thangal Market. The inundation of water has caused significant damage to numerous shops in these markets as well as along BT Road, Nagamapal and MG Avenue. As a result, flood items, stockists of life-saving drugs and pharmacies have incurred substantial losses, with approximately 90 to 95% of life-saving drugs worth about 15 crore rupees being damaged. Dijamani announced plans to request All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists AIOCD to provide some compensation for the losses incurred. Furthermore, he appealed to the state government to assist them in overcoming these losses. Additionally, Dijamani highlighted another challenge faced by the transportation of life-saving drugs, with vehicles stranded due to landslides at 4 locations along the Imphal-Dimapur road. Once these vehicles reach Imphal, the shortage of life-saving drugs is expected to elevate to some extent.
Sing is house in a Marumurga, Maruina, Imphal Yada Ladiba, with medicine wholesaler of the retailers in the 90 to 95% where Hariba, Sing is house in a among my peer. Aduna, approximately a who book Adum Dukanjing, Humba Hunedri, Aduna. House, Hitak Tumjang, Hita Singh around Aquinum Pazabata, my and the report of Botas Helikani, about 15 crore Hitakshe, Mangan Vegeta, Damage Sanga, Yaga Hidare. High Hidalang Taxi, company Kudimuna, Lui Halakatu, Hanbaya of Hidaxium, Yawi. Tamjaning Budi, Shena, Hidaki, Wabaje, Hitangi, Mayona, Pay, Adubu, Masi Hire and a patient Zingna, Nataga, customers in the Traga, retailers in the Hong the Begina Traga, Hena, Lesson Ban, the Traga Hena, Tobutito, Vigano. Gourmet Haitegi, Hitan Yara, the compensation, Kara, PPP Yara, the Madu Data, the Picacharaga. 100% monetary government Haitegi or Maryland authority compensation Karan Hanjin Biagadi, especially market, Yamna, Harogeni, and Marisho, every market, Yam Harogeni.